Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Khushal Khan and you watching something hot and Zamatolo Margarota no kharke pe khabar ke kuri ke tolo ta dere dere mina au dere dere salamuna zan dere dere khayal ke bhai au thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Amna, you're watching Something Hot and this is Hot Talk. This is Hot Talk and we'll be in conversation with a very hot and happening rising star. इनकी पहली मुलाकात मेरे से हुई earlier this year and देखते ही मुझे लगा that he's going to be the next biggest thing in television in Pakistan within the year and here he is, Khushal Khan, somebody with a very famous name and there's a reason for it. We'll talk about that as well. But Assalamu alaikum, Khushal.
Walaikum assalam, how are
It's
you?
great to see you here
It's great to be here. Thank you so much for
in
having
Karachi.
me. honestly.
Yeah, I mean, we met at the Hum Awards earlier
Ji,
this year
ji.
and you had this great energy. मैं कहा यार ये who is this kid? I mean,
Yes, I
we've
remember.
not
You came
seen
up
him
to
on
me.
screen, but your energy was fantastic and a lot of people call you Khush as well.
Khush, yes, they
Yeah.
they do that. I don't know why, but like
You're
they
always
do.
happy.
I'm always happy. Maybe that's why they're like Khush, Khush. I'm like okay, that's fine. I
Yeah,
like it.
but 2021 has turned out to be a big year for you.
2020 actually, yes.
2020.
Yeah. 2020 has been a big year for me because I remember back in 2018 and 2019, even 17, I was trying my luck into getting into acting and modeling,
Right.
but it wasn't happening properly. But
हाँ,
मैं यही दुआ होती थी कि जिसमें बेहतरी है वही करे अल्लाह.
हाँ.
Not that मुझे ये चाहिए specifically something pointing at something. But then I think अल्लाह ने दुआ कबूल कर ली. जब आप मेहनत करते हो तो अल्लाह आपको उसका फल भी देता है. So I
Right.
strongly believe in that.
Right.
And then 2020 it started off as I started off as a model and now then got into acting.
Hmm.
So I think it's been great.
लेकिन आप कर क्या रहे थे उसके अलावा because 2020 में you were 20 years old. You just
Yeah.
come out of your teens.
Yeah.
तो उस वक्त तो जहन में कुछ नहीं होता कि क्या करना है और क्या आपको पता था लेकिन आपने क्या करना है.
So see, growing up, I'll be honest with you. Growing up, I was allowed to watch mostly two movies,
हाँ.
and those two movies were Tare Zameen Par. Sorry, three. Tare Zameen Par, Kal Ho Na Ho, and Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham.
Okay. चलो अच्छी choice थी ये तीन.
अच्छी choice
अच्छी
थी.
फिल्में
अच्छी
थी.
फिल्में थी ना,
But
but
Bollywood
बच्चों
or
को.
like any film?
No, Bollywood में यही specifically
okay.
because my mother used to love it. My
हाँ.
father was very like a big Shah Rukh Khan fan
हाँ.
and he used to watch it. So वो था तो वो मुझ में भी आ गया.
हाँ.
Shah Rukh Khan and all that. So वो बचपन से वो शौक था कि मुझे बस acting करनी है. So I used to take part in school plays and these events and all that.
And school was Islamabad?
In Nashera.
In Nashera.
I grew up in Nashera. I was born and raised in Nashera.
हाँ.
So वहाँ पे school plays में जाता था and all that. So बस वो था कि बस मुझे करना है. And then after that, like, you know, growing up, धीरे धीरे वक्त के साथ साथ जो है तो my parents were like कि जब बड़ा हो जाएगा तो ठीक हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
बड़ा हुआ ठीक नहीं हुआ. वही था, acting करनी है. And then my parents were like, I was like, यार, I don't have a family background of any like acting या modeling. कोई भी मतलब इसमें से नहीं है. It's going to be hard for me to get in there because I used to see stories and I used to see read stories about actors and all that. So they were like, it's very tough, it's very this जो भी था. I was scared. So I was like, you know what, let me just build a background first, like in a way that let's just go to the army.
Right.
Because I have, मेरी family जो है तो they have an army background, some of them have it.
Okay, I want to be an actor, let's build a background and let's go to the army.
Yeah.
ये क्या connection है?
I was a kid now. So
Yeah.
as I said, I was 16 or I don't know, 15, 16.
हाँ.
Because there was my mamu's friend, his name is Captain Gulsher, Qasim, Alpha Bravo Charlie में जो
Right.
थे. So he was in army and he
Yeah.
got into acting.
Right.
So बस मेरे ज़हन में वो था कि अच्छा हो सकता है.
हाँ.
Maybe there's a possibility in
कि
that.
मैं आर्मी में जाऊँ उसके थ्रू मैं एक्टिंग में जाऊँ.
Yes, somewhere. Because my parents were trying to convince me that army में चले जाओ in a
Right.
way. Because
हाँ.
obviously family background and
हाँ.
army obviously पठानों के लिए थोड़ा सा.
हाँ.
So मैंने कहा चले ठीक है, let's just try my luck. And I basically dislocated my right hand. And I remember
Doing what?
Doing what? I was on a bike with my friend and वो मस्ती कर रहे थे, which was a bad idea.
Right.
And I hate bikes.
हाँ.
And वो जो है तो वो गाड़ी ने वो ठक्कर मारी, so वो लगी, वो हाथ बिल्कुल फंस गया उसमें, got dislocated.
Amit-
It's fine now. I mean, it's a little woe, but I can work with it.
Right.
I remember coming down from the clinic, from the doctor, and sitting with my father and crying and bawling my eyes out, like आगे मैं select नहीं होने वाला मैं तो अभी, because मुझ में तो fault आ गया. Then आगे मैं select नहीं हुआ, obviously. Then
इसकी वजह से
इसकी वजह से भी, और दूसरा ये कि because I was टाइम मुझसे चला गया और मैंने टेस्ट बहुत स्लो दिया था. That was on me, that was my fault, because I was prepared for it physically everywhere, but like वो जो टाइम था मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था, and I blame myself for that.
ठीक है.
उसके बाद I was like, okay, I can't just sit here and cry about it or whine about it. I just have to go and do something else. So फिर मैंने यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन लिया इस्लामाबाद में, and tourism and hospitality में मैंने लिया, because I've heard that वो बहुत अच्छा जा रहा था ये वो. I had no experience and no like knowledge about that.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, fine. Like I'll have at least a 9-to-5 job, so I'll have enough money, so I can like do that.
At 18, 19, you're thinking about a 9-to-5 job.
Yes, 9-to-5 job. Yes. And I went to Islamabad, मैंने एडमिशन कर लिया, और यूनिवर्सिटी स्टार्ट होने में 3 महीने थे. 3 महीने थे, और मेरे पास जो था, मेरे पास 3 महीने थे, and I don't like to sit free and do nothing basically घर में. So I told my parents that fine, like यूनिवर्सिटी स्टार्ट हो रही है, मैं यूनिवर्सिटी करूँगा, लेकिन साथ में मुझे एक्टिंग के लिए भी, अगर मॉडलिंग के लिए मुझे ट्राई मिल जाए या इस तरह कुछ हो जाए ना. So फिर वहाँ पे वो था कि there was a call center in Islamabad, तो मैंने वो ज्वाइन किया. So मैं चला गया for 3 months with my cousin. Me and my cousin Uzair, we both used to go to call center. He wanted to save money and I wanted to save some money to travel and go to agencies, or like क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता था कि there are scam agencies that ask money for you. Agencies never ask money, by the way. So मैं पैसे जमा करता गया, और इसी तरह मैंने कहा कि चलो इधर ऑडिशन दे दूंगा, इधर ऑडिशन दे दूंगा, पैसे लगा के traveling by buses and all that. So I mean that was an experience. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता था. Like मैं जब सैलरी मिलती थी ना महीने के एंड पे, so जब फिर उसके बाद जो है, तो जब छुट्टी होती थी the weekends, I used to like book everything. I'll be like, अच्छा मैं आज लाहौर जाऊंगा, मैं इस एजेंसी के साथ वो करूंगा, मैं अप्लाई करूंगा, पोर्टफोलियो दूंगा. और my cousin really helped me. Like I had like a small camera, so he helped me. Like मैंने मतलब कपड़े वपड़े पहने और बाहर गए, जो इस्लामाबाद में वो F9 पार्क जो है बहुत फेमस, और वहाँ पे दरख्तों के साथ हमने अपना फोटो शूट किया, और उसको मैंने वो बना लिया अपना पोर्टफोलियो. And
so you were like completely focused कि मैंने ये करना है.
Yes, मुझे करना था.
और इसकी वजह क्या थी? Why?
I don't know.
Was it fame? Did you want to be a star? Was it the fortune, the travel, the glamour? क्या था?
No, see, it comes with it. It comes with it. The fame, the stardom, everything comes with it. But this makes me so happy when I'm in front of the camera and I'm performing. Right. And if I'm performing a good character that people can learn something from it and people can do something from it. I basically want to bring a change in a way, in a very good way. And I feel like ये मैं इसके जरिए कर सकता हूँ.
मैं भी पूछती हूँ समीर से क्या लोगों ने सीखा.
But I feel like like it makes me happy
to be in front of the camera.
In front of the camera. वो कहते हैं ना कि do what makes you happy. आप अगर आप 9 to 5 में भी एफर्ट कर रहे हो 100%, आप कमा तो रहे हो, but are you happy? आप उस चीज में मेहनत करो, बेशक आप कम कमाओगे, but you're going to be happy at least. And like I said, the first gig that I got, I was on screen for 0.07 seconds. I calculated everything. 0.07 seconds. It was just like बस एक frame नजर आया.
और ये किस चीज के लिए था?
It was for a telecom brand.
Right.
It was a TVC. And when I was there, when I was looking at everybody, the main leads and everybody, they were acting, and I was just looking. I was like, wow, kitna cool. And I was there for 24 hours, like straight up. और 24 hours के बाद, after 22 hours, I had my scene.
Right.
And उस पूरा time मैं wait करता रहा, because obviously you knew and all that. So, and when I got in front of the camera and when I was acting, I didn't feel like I wasn't nervous. I wasn't like shy or anything. I could just do it. I wasn't that good at it, but
you were confident.
I was confident.
So confidence कहाँ से आ रही थी? Obviously you have support from your parents, which is amazing.
Yes.
वो ये नहीं कह रहे कि डॉक्टर बनो, MBA करो,
No, they've always supported me. They were like, you want to do this, Khushal? You go and you do this. But you're doing this for yourself. You have to be successful in it. My father always said that, like, तुमने ठीक है, you don't want to go to the army. तुम नहीं select हुए. तुम 9 to 5 नहीं कर सकते.
Your dad is from an army background.
No, he was in Pakistan Tobacco Company.
Right.
By the way, I worked in Pakistan Tobacco Company as well.
Okay.
So can I tell you the story?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So जब वो था जब when I started modeling and all that, so university से भी by the way मैं निकाला गया था. Yes.
Well done.
Yes. University से भी मैं निकाला गया था because मैं
जहाँ tourism पढ़ने गए थे.
जहाँ tourism पढ़ने गए थे. वो जो था there was a whole messed up scene with the dean and everything. You know? No, attendance मेरी पूरी होती थी. Attendance मेरी पूरी होती थी. वो ये था कि जब कुछ teachers and all that they कोई favoritism हो रहा होता है, थोड़ा बहुत हो रहा होता है. So kind of you just feel like ऐसा ये क्या हो रहा है, like this is not right, and like I'm here to learn, I really want to get a 9 to 5 job.
हो रही थी.
Yes. वो चीज मुझे बहुत बुरी लगी थी, and वो फिर उन्होंने I remember जब मैं निकला यूनिवर्सिटी से when they gave me the certificate that okay you're now this is word struck off, maybe I don't know, there's this word used, and I remember this teacher, she was like kaisa, and I was like okay I'll tell you when I come back and then I went back after a year but she wasn't there. but उसके बाद I remember बीच में एक महीना था मेरे पास, so I told my father that I want to work in your company.
Right.
He's like do you need money, what do you need?
And how old were you at that time?
20 के start में.
Right.
So I was like I don't need money, but I want to earn money, but because I would not like to ask you for money for the things that I want to do. Like जो मैं मॉडलिंग के लिए जा रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, जहाँ पे भी पोर्टफोलियो सबमिट करने जा रहा हूँ एक्टिंग के लिए, मैं नहीं चाहता कि आपका वो पैसा मैं लगाऊं उस पर. एंड वो थोड़ा सा स्ट्रिक्ट तो नहीं थे, लेकिन बट ये था कि उन्होंने कहा कि ठीक है, you know what, all I can do is I'm just going to drop you to that center जहाँ पे टेस्ट हो रहा है यहाँ का. मैं किसी को नहीं बोलूंगा कि तुम मेरे बेटे, तुम मेरे जो भी हो, कुछ भी नहीं. He just like make sure you take a pen with you, a ball point. I was like okay. I took it with me. I went there and I sat there for like 4 hours. उसके बाद जो है तो वो टेस्ट हुआ. So मैं पढ़ा लिखा तो था obviously. So उन्होंने जो है तो जब when they saw they like तुम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो, like this is for like वो जो लोग आते जो दिहाड़ी करते हैं. You get it, like वो जो उनकी basis like 12 घंटे की ड्यूटी होती है, इस तरह होती है. शिफ्ट लगाते हैं. Exactly, शिफ्ट लगाते हैं. So I was like, I just want to do it. Like, is this okay? Is this a big thing?
You just needed some money coming in, so you could put it in, channel it there.
Yes. So वो बड़ी पेटी आती थी, कंटेनर्स आते थे, तो मैंने उनके नंबर नोट करके, पैलेट के नंबर नोट करके वो लिखना होता था और टेम्परेचर लिखना होता था. So वो ये होता था कि एक हफ्ते के लिए सुबह से दोपहर तक, फिर दूसरे हफ्ते के लिए दोपहर से शाम तक, फिर तीसरे हफ्ते के लिए शाम से रात से सुबह तक. तो ये शिफ्ट्स चेंज होते रहते थे.
You sound like somebody with incredible patience.
Because वो तो मेरे अबू से सीखा है मैंने. मुझमें नहीं है इतना. I don't have patience. I'm not half of the man he is. He's amazing. If you meet him, you're gonna be like, wow, this guy is amazing. He's worked so hard his entire life. I've seen him from a cycle to a car. That journey there. So I think that helped me a lot.
Right.
Like सीखने को मिलता है जब आप ये देखते हो. अगर आपको सब कुछ प्लेट में मिल जाता है ना, तो फिर आपके पास कुछ नहीं होता सीखने को. आप सीखना चाहते नहीं है जब आपके पास ये सब कुछ हो जाता है, जब प्लेट में मिलता है आपको. So I've seen his journey from here to like wherever he is at this point right now, alhamdulillah. So वो जो है तो that was an amazing time. I met some amazing people there.
You knew who to meet in Lahore when you were traveling. ये पता था कि किस को मिलना है, किन agencies के पास जाना है.
A few agencies जो थी जिसका मुझे पता था.
Yeah, you were just like hit and miss कर रहे थे.
No, I was just
मिलते जाओ.
Yes. It was complete like I didn't know कि specifically इधर जाना है, इधर जाना है, ओ इधर जाऊंगा काम बनेगा.
Break कहाँ मिली?
Break यहाँ पे मिली. I remember there was this one shoot.
Because sorry, बात काटी. You were just saying that Midsummer was not your first. It was not the first project you signed.
First project was किस्सा मेहरबानों का that I signed officially. But जो shoot हुआ वो Midsummer था.
Of course.
It came out first. So yeah.
We'll come to this, but सबसे पहले break कहाँ मिली?
ब्रेक मुझे तब मिली जब मैंने एक ईस्टर्न वेयर कैंपेन की क्लोथिंग का. वो लाहौर में किया था. तो बेसिकली कुछ मॉडल जो थे तो अपेरेंटली बहुत एक्सपेंसिव थे, मैं बहुत सस्ता था. लाइक चलो दैट्स गुड एंड दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स एंड आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट इट. एंड दे कॉल्ड मी एंड दे वर लाइक हाँ थोड़ी सी ग्रूमिंग करके ना, मतलब बाल काट कूट के सब कुछ करके कर लेंगे. आई डिड दैट and I was so excited. I was so naive. I didn't know anything. They were like जो भी बड़े models है, I was there. I was like हाँ hello, okay, I don't know anybody. I'm just here. I'm enjoying myself, jumping around, dancing with music and all that, and eating and just munching on kurkure and I don't know and just there. And जब shoot हुआ, जब निकल आया and it was everywhere. Like people saw it obviously. उसके बाद for a month straight up I didn't do anything. उसके बाद I didn't get any work from modeling. वो फिर मैं यूनिवर्सिटी चला गया था. फिर से एडमिशन लिया दूसरी यूनिवर्सिटी में. मैंने कहा छोड़ना तो नहीं है, मैंने कहा पढ़ाई तो कंप्लीट करनी है ऑब्वियसली.
करी फिर?
Yes.
Okay, good.
And I got admitted to university And then उसके बाद जो था तो because people didn't know who I was, my name, my Instagram, nothing. फिर पता चल गया धीरे धीरे, वही ना जब ढूंढने को निकलते हो तो मिल जाता है बंदा. तो फिर किसी ने ढूंढा, फिर then I got a footwear campaign, फिर उससे वो नाम वो हुआ. And फिर
was there a campaign for an Indian brand that you did in the middle?
that was recently.
अभी की है.
Yeah,
right.
that was for Abhinav Mishra, was an
Abhinav
Indian
Mishra,
designer.
right,
Yeah.
right.
So इसी तरह I think एक के बाद एक आता गया,
ठीक है.
and then I did it. But I
But there's also a bridge between those fashion campaigns and then television.
Yes.
मेहरबानो कैसे मिला?
मेहरबानो ऐसे मिला कि I remember कि I was how did that happen? Oh yes, हाँ. So I was in Karachi for a shoot and I met Nabila ma'am. She's so sweet.
Yeah.
I met her and she was like you're modeling. What do you do? What do you want to be? Like, is this your long term goal? I'm like, no, this is not my long term goal. I want to do modeling. I want to pursue it, but as a career, I want to be an actor. And she's like, why don't you go for acting? Then she told me कि ये I went to Ham's office. वहाँ मैं गया. And then I sat there for a while, and then they were like, they called me in for an audition. They were like, audition कर लो, आप ये कर लो, because वो clips उनके पास save होते सारे actors के. मैंने audition दिया, and I remember Shajil bhai, he took my audition, and then उसके बाद जो है तो I was like, okay, fine, whatever, हो गया, अभी पता नहीं करेंगे.
Audition था क्या करना था?
नवंबर में एक स्क्रिप्ट थी, उसका एक डायलॉग था, कुछ
मेहरबानों की स्क्रिप्ट थी?
नहीं, मेहरबानों की नहीं थी, कुछ और स्क्रिप्ट थी, एक रैंडम कोई डायलॉग था, वो बोलना था. मैंने बोल दिया, एंड उन्होंने वो वीडियो रिकॉर्ड की, एंड आई मेट भाभी एज वेल, मोमन आंटी, एंड जो है तो वो ऑडिशन सब कुछ ले लिया. फिर दैट हैपेंड इन नवंबर, एंड देन इन February I got a call from Shajil bhai, Hum TV. This year, and he was like, आप एक बार आ जाओ एक ऑडिशन के लिए डायरेक्टर के पास. I was like, okay fine, आ जाता हूँ. मैं लाहौर से मैंने गाड़ी पकड़ी, मैं गया ऑडिशन के लिए. I went there and I met Iqbal Hussain sir, and he was like, ये ऑडिशन आपने इस तरह बोलना है. He was so sweet. He came and he sat with me and he told me कि बेटा ये इस तरह होगा, ये इस तरह होगा. I'm like, yes inshallah, I'll do it. फिर मैंने ऑडिशन दिया उनको.
उस वक्त तक मिडसमर एयर अभी नहीं हुआ था?
नहीं, साइन भी नहीं हुआ था. नहीं किया था, मतलब कोई बात ही नहीं चल रही थी. उसके बाद जो है तो फिर मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ. अब I'm in the bus, I'm going back to Lahore, and I got a call from Shajil bhai, and I'll always remember this moment. He calls me and he's like, किधर हो? I'm like, I'm on my way to Lahore. I'm like, do you want me to turn back? Because I can come back. I can, like, मैं अभी बस पे पूरा मतलब start नहीं हुई बस. He's like, do you want me to come back? No, actually, bus चली थी. So I was like, I can go and I can come back, or whatever you want me to do. Like, I can come back real quick. And he's like, नहीं, I just मैंने ये बताना था कि तुम select हो गए. I was like, for किसके लिए? Like, I wanted to make sure. I was like, he's like a ड्रामे के लिए. I'm like, आप सही बोल रहे हैं, मतलब वैसे मजाक तो नहीं कर. He's like, मैं मजाक क्यों करूँगा तुमसे? मैंने कहा, okay, हाँ, ये भी ठीक है. And I was like, thank you so much. And मैं thank you बोले जा रहा था. And वो, he was like smiling. He knew that, कि अभी ये लड़का कितना खुश है. And I remember जिस तरह उससे कॉल कट की और मैं बस में कोने में बैठा था, मेरे साथ कोई नहीं था, शुक्र है. I called my mother and I was crying. She's like, is everything fine? I'm like, I don't cry though that often.
Oh, you seem like somebody, you seem like a weeper though, because emotional. You are, right? Sahi bolo ho na?
I mean, depends on the situation.
You seem like somebody who would be overwhelmed by a situation and would get teary.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Yes, I would. But I wouldn't show it. मैं कोने में जाके कभी कर लूँगा. मैं भी हाँ, so क्या है?
But अम्मी के साथ बात करते हुए.
Yeah, अम्मी के साथ हो जाता है. The people that I love, my friends and all that. कभी. So I called her and I was crying. She's like, everything okay? मेरा दिल वो बैठा जाए. मैंने कहा नहीं अम्मी, मुझे वो ड्रामा मिल गया. मैं जो कह रहा था दुआ करना सुबह से, मुझे मिल गया. And then she was emotional. She's like, मैंने ये नहीं बोला, sorry, actually my words were, अम्मी जिस चीज के लिए मैं घर से निकला था वो हो गया. She's like, वो समझ गई. तुम्हें ड्रामा मिल गया? I was like, yes. And I was so happy. Alhamdulillah. जाके नफल पढ़ी मैंने, अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा किया. मैंने कहा thank you so much. मतलब this was so amazing. उसके बाद फिर मिडसमर आया.
Then you did Midsummer.
Then I did Midsummer.
Right.
And, yeah.
And what were you thinking when you signed on? Did you read the script and were you doing it for a friend? Was it like a casual project that you just took a summer like midsummer कर लेते
So it
हैं.
was basically, I love acting, so I just wanted
You
to
want
act
to do
in it.
something, हाँ.
So जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी, it was this character and all that, तो मैंने तो पूरी पढ़ी नहीं थी. जब एपिसोड आया था मैं खुद excited था कि अब मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ. Because I didn't know, I had no clue कि what I was going to do next.
Yeah.
But थोड़ा बहुत था, थोड़ा बहुत नहीं भी था. But when it came out, I was like, okay, fine. So now that happened.
No, so be it. And I must say that it got all the traction. I mean,
Yes,
it got so
but-
much attention. It made
but-
headlines.
Okay, that's not my phone.
Sorry.
So that was कि
So you signed the script and you just wanted to act.
I just wanted to act in a
हाँ.
way, and जब मैंने देखा तो मैं समझ गया था कि गलत क्या है, बुरा क्या है, कौन सी स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी होती है, कौन सी स्क्रिप्ट बुरी होती है. स्क्रिप्ट कोई भी बुरी नहीं होती. आपको मतलब अगर आप अच्छे से उसको प्ले करो. And इसकी I think director Salim, he did a good job with it in a way that वो बच्चा है और उसने ये किया, मतलब he
Yeah,
did something
absolutely.
like that, and I think it
No, it's
was
very incredibly brave of him. वही बात है, he's got a
Yes.
passion for it.
exactly.
And he did something. And
जी.
अच्छा था, बुरा था, it was a learning curve.
जी,
It made headlines all over the world.
exactly. Yes, basically.
Yeah, I mean, और क्या चाहिए?
People were watching it all over the world. Exactly.
Absolutely.
So उसका एक विजन था जो कि उसके जहन में था कि मतलब किस तरह उसको वो ये उसकी अपनी स्टोरी थी
Yeah.
जो कि उसने देखा होगा इस्लामाबाद के इधर जगहों पे
Yeah.
जो होता है. So he just wanted to bring that into like a web series or something like
Sahi.
that, and he did it. So it's fine. Like
And how much content is being made for teenagers anywhere on TV? Nothing.
nothing.
Nothing. So yeah.
I mean, and teenagers should do that. They should
Yeah.
come out with stuff because we have. I feel like हमारे पास अब अगर आप देखें हमारे पास मुल्क में इतने अच्छे like talented लोग हैं ना, singers, artists, actors, like directors, producers तो खैर नहीं, like directors and writers. I'm just like इनको मौका क्यों नहीं मिलता? And it's so sad. I feel like
जो
इनको
लोग कहते
मिलना
हैं कि जी
चाहिए.
सिफारिश ना हो तो मौका नहीं मिलता. What do you say to them now at this
सिफारिश
point?
ना हो तो मौका नहीं मिलता.
टेलीविजन में.
That is so not true. नहीं, to an extent ठीक है, सिफारिश चलती है. I know कि सिफारिश चलती है. कुछ लोगों के लिए चलती होगी, but फिर वही होता है कि कब तक चलती है. अगर आप में टैलेंट है तो अगर आप में टैलेंट नहीं है, फॉर एग्जांपल आप सिफारिश कर करके 2-3 चीजें तो ले लोगे, उसके बाद लोग देखना नहीं जाएंगे. लोग उसको मतलब अवाम जो है ना वो मैटर करती है. ये इंडस्ट्री जो है ना इट ऑल्सो इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. लाइक ये जो है तो ये अवाम के लिए बना रही है ये चीज है. वी डूइंग इट, वी मेकिंग स्टफ, मेकिंग कंटेंट फॉर द पीपल. लेकिन जब आप अपने टैलेंट के जरिए से आते हो ना तो वो आप फिर आ जाते हो, आप फिर टिके रहते हो वहां पे. आपको पता होता है कि ठीक है, आई एम नॉट here for like मैं सिफारिश पे नहीं है. So you're confident. You don't need to be scared from anyone. You're confident. आप अल्लाह पे यकीन करते हो, अल्लाह के भरोसे आप आते हो, आप आ गए हो अपनी मेहनत के जरिए. तो आपको किस बात का डर है? मतलब किसी ने आपको पुश तो नहीं दिया, किसी ने आपको उठा के प्लेट में नहीं दिया कि ये भाई आप ले ले, ये कंटेंट, ये स्क्रिप्ट है हमारी, या फिर ये वो है ये. सो देन यू लाइक अच्छा ये तो मुझे उससे मिला है. सो यू नो लाइक मैंने मेहनत की है, मैंने स्ट्रगल की है, नहीं की. आई फील लाइक स्ट्रगल जो बंदा करता है ना, दैट मोल्ड्स यू इन अ वे दैट वो आपको एक शेप दे देता है, एक आकार दे देता है.
और आपने की
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह से.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
पीपल डोंट सी इट. पीपल देखे वो छोटी छोटी चीजें लोग नहीं देखते. अचीवमेंट्स होती है, अच्छा ये इसने मॉडलिंग का ये किया, या फिर एक्टिंग का ये किया, ये एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट किया, लोग कहेंगे अच्छा तुमने तो बस सिर्फ वही किया है, मतलब यू नो तुम तो एकदम से वो हो गए हो. एंड आई फील लाइक पीपल शुड सी द सारी मेहनत, सारी स्ट्रगल भी देखनी चाहिए. मैं कहूँगा मैंने इतनी नहीं की, मैं मानता हूँ कि मैं कर रहा हूँ, अभी भी कर रहा हूँ. एट दिस पॉइंट एंड देयर इज नेवर एन एंड टू इट. आप करते रहते हो, लेकिन आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि मतलब इसमें मैंने कुछ नहीं किया डायरेक्टली. आई गेट दैट.
बट यू alhamdulillah you were lucky, you got 2 very big projects. You got Kissa Mirwano ka with Mahwara Hussain,
yes,
with you know with
Essen and everybody,
and a big project. And then you got Ek Hai Nigar.
That was
another
Ek Hai Nigar was amazing. Myra, man, I call her Mappa.
Yeah.
I don't. Myra, it sounds weird. Myra Khan, I call her Mappa because she told me just to call her Mappa, and I think that's the sweetest thing. So she's the biggest superstar of this country.
Absolutely.
उसको कोई जरूरत नहीं है like मतलब मुझे इस तरह ट्रीट करने की. Like क्यों करेगी? मतलब she काम हो गया, ठीक है.
मतलब how did you get into that?
She Nigar. They called me for auditions. They called a lot of people for audition, I think, apparently. So they called me, they sent me a script, एक छोटा सा वो दिया उन्होंने मुझे, और इस तरह like they were like कि फोन को रिकॉर्ड करके like सामने रख के and एक वीडियो भेजो. So I told Nina, I was like, I'm at the shoot, so can I do it later? Mehrbano ki shoot tha. She's like, haan, I'll sham tak kar lena. After 30 minutes, she messages me again. I was like, I told you sham tak. Then I was like, okay, fine, you know what? Because she's like that. Okay, कहती है कि हो जाए तरीके से, which is a good thing. उसको चाहिए सब कुछ अच्छे से. Which I really respect. So फिर मैं चला गया कोने में कमरे में बैठ गया and I just recorded the clip and मैंने वो दिया and then they called me after a day or two, I think, and they were like, हाँ, you're selected for that. And then I went to the set. They were doing the look test for the mustache and the दाढ़ी वाड़ी वो सारा वो. And I was like, is Mahira Khan here? I asked Babar and he's like, no, she's out. She's going to be here in an hour. I was like, okay, fine, cool. So then Fayaz bhai, the makeup artist, ये जो SFX से सब कुछ करते थे. So उन्होंने वो किया and then they were like, हाँ, so we're going to show it to Nina and everybody there in that room. ना अब मैं वो पूरा वो उन्होंने मैंने सलवार कमीज पहनी, मैंने वो तोंद वो निकाली हुई है, मैंने ये किया and I'm just walking like this.
बॉडी सूट दिया उन्होंने?
नहीं, वो पिलो थी.
अच्छा.
उस टाइम पे पिलो थी, बाद में बॉडी सूट था.
ओके.
हाँ, so मस्टर्स लगाई, वो बनाए, सब कुछ बनाए and उससे पहले मैं बड़ा मतलब I showered and I was clean shaved and like, you know, like sprayed all over, like, you know, first impression is a good impression, like you should do that. मैं आया और फिर उन्होंने सारा वो लगा के ना मूछे वो लगा के मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है जब तब तक आएंगे I'll wash it off. And they were like, हाँ, so we're gonna show it to Nina and everybody, जो and the director as well. मैं अंदर गया and I'm sitting there, I'm like hello, assalamu alaikum. So she has her back towards me and I'm like assalamu alaikum. She looks back, she's like assalamu alaikum, बैठ जाए. And she said me बैठ जाए. And I'm like I'm not an old person. I was walking like this and she's like बैठ जाए. And I'm like नहीं, ऐसा मैंने नहीं मिलना था. This didn't turn out. She's like
first meeting with Mahira.
And then I was like ये खुशहाल है. She's like what? Okay, this is really good. And she's like, can you show me a picture of वो सारा वो तो मैंने देखा ये मैं असली में हूँ. ये जो है ना ये सारा वो. I think Babar was recording and he was like वो हंस रहा था कि तुम कैसे मिलना चाहते थे. फिर then I washed everything off obviously. और फिर मैं कपड़े पहने, then I met her and I was like, I always wanted to meet you. You're such an amazing person and all that. But then जब and she was so sweet and she was so interactive. फिर हमारी शाहरुख खान पे बहुत बात हुई. वहाँ पे we just like, you know, like okay fine, like two big Shah Rukh Khan fans we got together. And on set, like मैं वही कह रहा था, as I was saying that she doesn't have to do any of this. Like, but she does it because she is like that. She's
a genuinely very nice person.
She's a genuine person.
Yeah, she's a nice person.
She used to treat me like a baby. और set पे जो है ना, so I mean, if somebody, I'll be honest with you, if somebody's faking it ना, they can't fake it for longer. So every day रोज shoot चल रहा है और रोज आती है वो set पे. रोज वो जमीन पे बैठी होती थी या फिर मुझे कहती थी आप ऊपर बैठो, मतलब कि वो sit there, I'm comfortable here. She talks ना like that. So it's like you sit, I'm comfortable here. I'm like okay fine. तो फिर मैं भी नीचे बैठ जाता हूँ. like इसने खाना खाए, उनको खाना खिलाए, फिर मैं खाऊं. सबको वो करके. So I think ये बहुत कम लोगों में होता है. And I've seen it. बहुत कम लोगों में होता है. And that just like I was like wow, like just that's so nice.
वो सीन कितना मुश्किल था करना. The emotional scene after the parents die and everybody dies and एक जो breakdown होता है desk पे, because कई लोगों ने उसकी बात की कि you know as you're so young and you're playing an older person in that scene but you're still her younger brother and she was closest to Shahid. और वो जो एक breakdown था वो कितना मुश्किल था करना.
It was all because of Mapa. The way, let me tell you how. Because in the script originally it was written that I had to just put glycerin and like तेरी आय और वो जो एक glare सी होती है वो आनी चाहिए. And then I think 3 hours before the shoot she added a whole scene into it. And she was like, Khushal, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to like break down properly in that scene. I'm just looking, I'm like, नहीं, मैं कभी नहीं किया, मैं नहीं कर रहा break down. I've never done it. I can't do it. And then she was like, I have faith in you. You're gonna do it. You're here for a reason. You can do it. And when she said it, I felt so relaxed, but at the same time, I felt so much pressure.
Yeah.
Because she said it that तुम कर सकते हो. And then मैं यही सोच रहा था, and I was like happy, but then I was like for like 10 minutes in the middle of the whole thing, I was like, अल्लाह बस किसी तरीके से select ना हो जाए, cancel हो जाए ये scene, मैं नहीं कर सकता. And मैंने कहा बुरा आएगा, खराब आएगा, वो तो सब कुछ तो उड़ जाएगा यहाँ से, वो पूरी मूवी का वो खराब हो जाएगा. And then we were talking and Nina came up and she was like, just imagine कि इस तरह कुछ हुआ और ये हुआ वो. And I was just thinking कि And my papa was like, no, don't do that because it's hard for you to get out of that. I'm like, let's see what happens. And then I went into that zone, and I remember कि I just जब वो हो रहा था पूरा, so I was imagining it as if it happened to me, which sucks, which is not a good thing.
No, but a lot of people, a lot of actors go into that
Go into
methodology.
that. I know that,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
like it's very like वो आप फिर रोना आ जाता है आपको. And when I went in there, when I was जब मैं बोल रहा था इसके बारे में, क्योंकि I have 2 siblings and my mother and father and all that, so I was thinking about it, and I was like, I completely break down, and it was, let me tell you, it was all real. We were literally crying in that scene, and वो हम रो रहे, and we don't. मैंने तो कुछ नहीं सुना कि मतलब उसने बोला, फिर जब कट बोला उन्होंने डायरेक्टर ने तेज बोला, he's like cut, he's like pause. I could hear him say hold, and then he said cut. जब कट बोला, so I did this, and I'm just looking down, and then I get up and I see the director, everybody, they're like wiping their tears off and all that, and Bilal bhai was there, Bilal Asif, and he's like, great performance, man. And I just, जब हम वो साफ माफ करे, so me and Papa looked at each other, and she like, and then he started, we hugged and we cried off the screen. वो हुआ बाद में, because I think we both went into that zone.
You completely went into the zone. नजर आ रहा था.
And you know how the reason I went into that zone, because like she made me comfortable. She made me comfortable that I can perform with her and act with her. And I think that's just the best thing ever. Like she did that. It all goes to her.
How's the Kissa Meherbano ka experience been?
Amazing. It's amazing. I think that's my favorite set. मुझे वहाँ पे जाके ना बहुत खुशी होती है, क्योंकि मैं उस set पे अल्लाह के बहुत करीब होता हूँ in a way. Because इकबाल सर, so उन्होंने शुरू में एक आदत मेरी नोट की थी, जब भी वो होता था ना, तो मेरी अम्मी कहती थी बस नमाज मत छोड़ना, और मैं नहीं छोड़ता अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह से. तो मैं नमाज पढ़ता था, so इकबाल सर ने वो नोट किया. फिर जब भी सीन होता था ना, तो इकबाल सर इज लाइक, ही प्रेज, सो सीन काट के लाइक बीच में लाइक होता था, ऑब्वियसली कंप्लीट हो जाता, देन ही लाइक, अच्छा अभी नमाज की ब्रेक ले रहे, एंड देन ही लाइक, खुशाल साहब को बुलाएं नमाज के लिए. सो फिर मैं नमाज के लिए जाता था, एंड देन ही the sweetest thing, he gifted me a cap. वो टोपी नहीं होती वो जो पहनते हैं, and I have it with me. जब भी मैं जाता हूँ ना, तो मैं अपने साथ रखता हूँ, और जब भी मैं नमाज के खड़ा था वो पहन के ना, सो उनका आधा सवाब उनको भी जाता. सो आई थिंक उधर जाके ना मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती थी. एंड पे जो है ना, तो मैं तो अजान भी देता था. He's like कि 2 शाबाश, इससे बहुत सवाब मिलता है. सो आई थिंक वो सेट, और वहाँ पे बाकी एक्टर्स, एवरीबडी, they were so sweet, they were so nice, they were very kind. किसी में कोई नखरे वखरे वो नहीं होते थे, एंड आई थिंक ये सबसे बड़ी बात होती है.
स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हुए क्या सोचा था? बिकॉज अभी जो ट्विस्ट आया है किस्सा में, दैट्स प्रीटी बिग, एंड दैट्स व्हाट एवरीबॉडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट. उससे पहले तो कोई लोग शायद इतनी बात नहीं कर रहे थे, मगर उस ट्विस्ट के बाद बहुत बात शुरू हो गई. तो वो, आई मीन, अभी you're so young, एंड अभी ऑब्वियसली 1-2 स्क्रिप्ट्स में ही you're into like what 3 scripts right now. But what are you thinking when you're reading a script कि यार ये होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए? Are you evaluating, or are you just thankful कि शुक्र है मिल गया, बस कर डालो? Or are you now thinking?
Okay, so ये होता है मेरे साथ. मैं I'll be honest with you, ये होता है कि शुक्र है मिल गया, but at the same time शुक्र तो है, मिल तो गया, लेकिन क्या मिला है, मतलब किस तरीके से मिला है, ये अच्छी चीज है कि नहीं है, ये कोई बुरी चीज तो नहीं है, मतलब ये चीजें मैं देखता हूँ. अगर वो कोई ऐसी चीज है जो कि एक गलत इम्पैक्ट डाल रही है, I'm sorry but I won't do it.
You won't do it.
I won't do it because मेरे लिए, मैं इस चीज की बहुत कदर करता हूँ आर्ट की, एंड मैं अच्छे तरीके से, as I said, I want to put something good out there in a way कि अच्छा अगर मैं कोई गलत कैरेक्टर भी कर रहा हूँ ना, नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर कर रहा हूँ, that's what I'm trying to say, that don't be like this guy.
Yeah,
this guy is a bad person.
Exactly.
Don't be like Sameer for say.
Yeah.
And then Meherbano, like ये जो character था, so when वो जो scene था, so the reason I say that it's getting like people are talking about it, but the thing is that, you know, we should wait and see what's going to happen next, because इसके बारे में हमने सोचा था, सब लोगों ने, director and everybody, like not me, everybody,
it must
they
have been
sat,
a big thing, a big,
yes,
like,
they sat and they were thinking कि इसको किस तरह किया जाए, किस तरह इसका end किस तरह हो, because it's a, listen, this is the thing that is happening in this country, and it's so sad. And ये जो है तो marital rape के बारे में जो वो होता है, like this is a thing that happens in the country. It's very sad, and it's, I don't know about anybody else, like मुझे पर्सनली ये चीज बहुत मतलब गुस्सा आता है इस बारे में जब लोग इस तरह वो करते हैं, एंड जस्टिफाई नहीं होता. औरतों को वो हुकूक नहीं मिलते, वो हक नहीं मिलता, वो कोर्ट में भी जो होता है ना, सो दे लाइक Amna ma'am said that कि like you know जब भी कोई जाता है केस लड़ने वो करते तो उनका केस हटा दिया इसको कंसिडर ही नहीं किया जाता लाइक वो तो औरत है वो तो आपकी बीवी है और वो तो आपका शौहर है तो उसका तो हक बनता है और जो जजेस होते हैं वो भी दे मेल so they don't speak about it and I feel like that's wrong. That's wrong.
So you actually put your faith behind the script and the story and you're like yes absolutely
yes I do it because like इससे कुछ ये आप देखें आगे जाके and I'm sure इंशाल्लाह कि सबके सवालों के जवाब इससे
मिल जाएंगे
इंशाल्लाह.
What about Bebasi?
Bebasi
which was Lekin before it was Bebasi?
Yeah, it was Lekin and then it was Bebasi.
Then and you're with Alize Shah and you're with Nausheen and Ali Rahman and
and Shehbasi and everybody. I think it was a really cool script when I was reading it. Because it's like a love triangle type of thing and it teaches you to in a way to let go. That's what I got out of it. Like you know like sacrificing for love in a way. It can't be just like that type of love, any love. You know, sacrificing for it, letting that person be happy. That's what I got out of the script, and I was like, okay.
It's also experience, right?
It's also an experience.
You will do some good shows and you will have some bad serials. Exactly.
Yes. बिल्कुल. I feel like that's how you learn. तब आपको पता चल जाता है.
So far you've done projects with Hum TV. Are you going to step out of Hum TV? और बाकी channels से भी कोई approaches अब हो रही हैं क्या? मतलब है कि because you have a name now. And people recognize you because you've gotten the award as well, and because of Nigar, and you're pretty active on social media as well. And of course, Midsummer Chaos also played a role in putting you out there. It did, right?
Yes.
So, what are you thinking now? How to take your career forward?
I don't want to be seen everywhere. I don't want to do everything. I don't want to like go ahead and do every script that comes my way. I don't want to be that actor that like you know
So
कुछ actors करते हैं and which is a good thing, it works for them, but I don't think it'll work out for me. मुझे पता है.
You're so young, don't you think कि अभी सब कुछ करना चाहिए कि नहीं?
नहीं, सब कुछ करना चाहिए. I know I have the margin to do everything, but should I do everything? Should I be into everything? Like for example, अगर अच्छी script आई है, मैं उसके बारे में सोचूंगा. Oh, okay. If I read the script and I feel like okay, this script can impact this like the people and in a good way, in a positive way. और ये story बहुत अच्छी है और like it makes me feel something. जब मैं story पढ़ रहा होता हूँ ना या फिर कुछ मुझे कुछ pitch किया जाता है, तो एक feeling होती है जो goosebumps आती है. आप कहते हो कि मैंने कल ही बस shoot start कर देना है. So जब तक वो feeling आती है ना नहीं आती ना तो I don't think I'll be I would want to do something like that because like मुझे कुछ I have मेरा कुछ अजीब तरीके से दिमाग काम करता है. I want to do something artsy as well. I want to do something like this as well. अपने लिए I want to do something artsy because like you know वो भी एक चीज है, वो भी एक आर्ट है, वो भी दिखा रहे हो कि अच्छा okay this is what I can do as well. ये भी मैं कर सकता हूँ और हाँ मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये भी कर रहा हूँ. So yes, to answer your question, yes, I would do dramas and projects with other channels as well. If the script is good, like it's like
something that hits you,
something like hits you that आपको पता चल जाए कि ये बहुत अच्छी script है. मुझे like दफा मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. I think that was an amazing script. And there was another drama. I'm forgetting the name. I'm so sorry. It was such a cool drama because I remember I was in hostel and I was watching it. I used to watch it. It was Ahad and Sabzul's drama.
यकीन का सफर. ये दिल मेरा.
ये दिल मेरा. Yes. Yes.
Right.
It was such a cool drama.
And you would want to be in those kind of dramas.
Yes, I think that was really cool.
You're stationed in Lahore now?
No, Islamabad.
You are now in Islamabad.
I was in Lahore.
You were in Lahore.
And now I'm in Islamabad.
And your family is in Nowshera?
My family is in Nowshera.
So
you're happy there.
Yeah, I mean, of course. So now what? You're shooting for BBC these days. अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ shoot?
हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा. और इसके बाद?
So
what do you have in hand now?
So after Kissa and Bebasi and Nigar and Midsummer, I have done another project which I can't really talk about.
Okay.
Because
but it's a drama serial?
No.
Okay.
Something else.
Okay.
I'm on the edge right now, so I can't really speak about it.
Okay.
But yeah, उसके अलावा जो है.
I didn't know any films were being. No. Okay. Okay, it's fine. I understand. I can.
It's something else. And I absolutely love it.
Okay.
I absolutely love it. When I got to it, and I was like, wow. this is crazy, I want to be a
हाँ.
part of it. Why, you know, you feel that goosebumps
हाँ.
and you're like, okay, कल से shoot करते हैं,
हाँ.
and you get ready for that. And उसके बाद जो है, then there's another web series that's going to start in January most probably, inshallah.
Nice.
And so yeah, I'm looking
So
forward to that.
काम किया है 3-4 serials में, you know people in Lahore now, you know people in Karachi, Islamabad, you're living. दोस्तियाँ हुई हैं industry में, because कहते हैं कि it's a very hard industry to break into, और दोस्तियाँ नहीं होती हैं, और लोग शक्ल में कुछ और होते हैं, पीछे कुछ और होते हैं. Have you made friends in the industry?
I know people. Know people.
Different from making friends.
I have some friends. Yes, I have some friends. Some very good friends I've made. Some very good friends I've made that pushes you to be a better person and better actor and better performer or better model or whatever. Then I've came across the people that would try to drag you down. That would try to do everything in their power.
Because वो होते हैं, हर जगह होते हैं वो लोग.
Yes, and I faced that, and I don't talk about it that much because, and I was thinking about it when you called me in for this one. So I was on a call with my friend, and I was like talking about this. मैं सोच रहा था कि मैंने कहा, should this be spoken about or should this be not? But then it's the reality, so why not?
Which is what?
Which is this that कि firstly I want to say this कि it should be spoken about because हमारे बाद भी आ रहे हैं actors, हमारे साथ भी आ रहे हैं actors, they might face it.
Yeah.
So they should be careful for these things. Which is this that ke, be careful, be aware of those people who use you in a way that के आपका फायदा उठाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जो आपके नेकख्वाह नहीं है. आप उन लोगों से जिससे पहले मिल रहे हो, like for example before working or before being famous and all that, आप उन लोगों से मिल रहे हो, वो उनका रवैया आपके साथ किस तरह है और उसके बाद किस तरह आपके साथ, completely different. So किसी वजह से है ना, they'll do anything. Let me tell you, they'll try to आपको गलत चीजों पे लाने की कोशिश करेंगे. So I feel like उसके लिए you have to गुमराह करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Try to spike you, try to do whatever they can in their power to do that. And I feel like that is such like मतलब how low can you be to do that to a person?
But ऐसे लोग होते हैं.
Yes, and I feel like, you know what, there are enough scripts for everybody. There is enough work for everyone out there, whether it be in acting or wherever. We as an industry, अगर हम सब लोग जो है ना साथ मिलकर एक दूसरे को उठाने की कोशिश करें ना, तो ये पूरी की पूरी इंडस्ट्री उठेगी. एक बंदा नहीं उठेगा, दो नहीं उठेंगे, सारी की सारी इंडस्ट्री उठेगी. And everyone would be here, and we can compete with other industries and other like जो बाकी जो सारे platforms हैं. And I feel like that should be the case.
So you're an idealist.
ऐसा
होता नहीं है कि दुनिया बदल जाएगी ऐसा
नहीं, because I feel like क्योंकि अभी जो लोग आ रहे हैं ना, जो हमारे साथ आ रहे हैं ना, I feel like जावियार जो वो है, so we have that mindset. हम जब बात करते हैं ना, हम इसी बारे में बात करते हैं कि वो भी कभी कहता है कि bro ये क्यों लोग इस तरह कर रहे हैं.
Debut as well.
Yes, and he's like bro ये क्यों लोग इस तरह कर रहे होते हैं, ये मतलब ये वो, and I'm like it happened to me as well, ये वो, and he's like यार we can't be like this.
जावियार का भी debut है, and of course he's Noman Ijaz's son. Do you ever feel on set कि यार ये नुमान इजाज का बेटा है, इसको ज्यादा importance या ज्यादा screen time मिल रहा है? नहीं, nothing. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. There's no politics happening on set.
No.
That's amazing.
No, he's such a sweetheart. And we're really good friends क्योंकि हमारी उसी set पे काफी अच्छी दोस्ती बनी थी. And then even off set we used to sometimes hang out and all that. So because वो positive इंसान है, उसकी सोच अच्छी है, उसकी वो फायदा पहुंचाना चाहता है, वो नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाना चाहता किसी को. तो ये चीज मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. और अगर I don't like it doesn't matter for me if like ये नुमान इजाज सर के बेटे हैं या फिर जिसके भी बेटे हैं, उसमें बात है, वो कर रहा है अपना, he is showing his talent. ठीक है, आप आए हो किसी तरीके से जो भी है, बट उसमें बात है तो वो कर रहा है.
Absolutely, वो नहीं कर सकेगा तो he lose out.
Exactly. So I feel like उठाना चाहिए एक दूसरे को in a way that push people up, like you know, support each other. अगर मुझे कोई मेरा दोस्त आता है, मुझे कहता है ना कि ये स्क्रिप्ट मिली है इस तरह, वो तो I'm like okay, let's help you out how to do it. If I was there I would do it like this. ये और फिर जब वो कर लेता है I'm like oh wow this is so cool, like कितनी अच्छी एक्टिंग की है इस बंदे ने इसने, like you know not that oh काश मैं कर लेता, इसने क्यों किया, you know like या फिर ये मुझे मिलने वाला था, ये
no
इसको मिले because इसको भी तो चांस मिले ना, मुझे कोई और मिलेगा. आपके हिस्से में जो अल्लाह ने रिस्क लिखा होता है ना, वो आपसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता, और ना आप किसी से छीन सकते हो, आप जितनी भी कोशिश कर लो. So up, just push people up, man.
Are you happy with Ayaz, the way Ayaz has been written?
Yes.
Nice, na?
Yes.
I'm enjoying
it's
the
so
character.
Nice. It's so nice.
Angst सी है उस character में. But it's coming to you very naturally. You're doing a good job.
Iqbal sir, Iqbal Hasan sir, credit goes to him because it was my first project and I was obviously a little nervous because drama tha obviously and acting with Ahsan and Mavra ma'am and everybody and so it was a little like, you know, I got a little anxious and nervous. I was like,
I love how you're like Mavra ma'am but Ahsan, not Ahsan sir.
he's like
Buddy,
you know,
yeah?
buddy. I love him. He's such a sweetheart. I love him. And so you know, with you know, respect level, I respect everybody equally, but like, you know, uske saath jo hai to he's a sweetheart. He really treats me well on set, and everybody does actually. लेकिन कुछ होता है ना, so वो लड़कों का भी फिर आपस में हो जाता है कि थोड़ा सा अच्छा बॉयज है आपस में, and he's not a man, he's a boy. वो दिल से जान है, he's really sweetheart. So the thing is that कि उसमें बड़ा मजा आता था और इकबाल सर ने जिस तरह डायरेक्ट किया ना, वो एक एक चीज को प्रॉपर्ली वो करते नहीं. खुशहाल साहब अगर इस तरह बोल, एंड द थिंग विद हिम इज दैट वो जब बात करते हैं ना, वो लाइक आई एम सो यंगर देन हिम एंड ही इज लाइक खुशहाल साहब इस तरह, खुशहाल साहब ही इज कॉलिंग मी साहब, सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू मैन, लाइक हाउ मच सपोज्ड टू डू दैट, एंड ही गिव्स यू दैट मार्जिन टू लाइक, यू नो, आप अपना कर लो, आप इम्प्रोवाइज कर लो, अच्छी तरीके से कर लो. तो वो कहता है कि नहीं इस तरह एक्सप्रेशंस ये दो ज्यादा मूव मत करो या तो मूवमेंट करो. ओके, दिस इज सो कूल एंड आई लर्नड. वो एक मेरे लिए एक उस्ताद है, मैंने उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है, बहुत कुछ सीखा, बहुत अच्छी चीजें सीखी है.
It's a learning curve. Absolutely. Everything is a learning curve. So we will not be seeing you on television after BBC. Is this what you're saying? You're not shooting or like for any other drama serial right now?
No, not.
So maybe OTT, maybe online, but not for a television.
Not for a television. Not now. Not now. I want people to see Meherbano.
Right.
वो देख लें, उसको समझ ले, उससे कुछ सीख ले, फिर बेबसी को देखे, फिर से भी कुछ सीख ले. कुछ अच्छी चीजें भी सीखने को है, कुछ बुरी चीजें भी आपको देखने को मिलेंगी जो आपने नहीं करनी. सो वो यू हैव टू वो आपने देखनी है एंड ऑल. बट द थिंग इज दैट उसके बाद जब वो हो जाएगा, उसके बाद फिर मैं आराम से अच्छी सी स्क्रिप्ट करूंगा, आराम से इन अ वे दैट जब अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट आ जाएगी, व्हेन आई फील लाइक ओके दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई वांट टू डू, आई विल डू इट बिकॉज़ ऑफ द आर्ट एंड आई लव इट.
What should people know about Khushal Khan that they don't? I mean, they don't know much about you other than what's been written. But what should they know about you that abhi tak unko nahi pata? Ek to cheez main, let me start off with, you have a very strong name.
Khushal Khan.
Khushal Khan. And you're also, is it true, a descendant of Khushal Khan Khattak?
Yes. We come from the same generation.
We're from the same, and
yes,
you bought like great.
Yes, great. 400 years ago.
400 years ago.
Yeah.
I mean, he was 17th century.
Yes. 17th century, I think. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Khushal Khan Khattak, basically. So उसको पश्तो में वो पठान हमारे यहाँ वहाँ पे बोलते हैं खुशाल खान खटक बाबा. So वो जो है तो वो he's like my great like grandfather, and we come from state, his bloodline, his family.
Right. And father की
family जितना मुझे वो है, so खुशाल is the name that only one person can have it. Until unless that person passes away, then the other person can have that name.
Okay.
Because like it's a very unique name. They don't want to let it go to waste and have everybody have it.
Right.
And not just that, like the first person, when that person named Khushal Khan passes away, the firstborn in the family, whoever it is, whichever it is, like jiska bhi beta ho, zaruri nahi hai, that person is going to be named Khushal.
You can't name your child Khushal Khan.
No, I can't.
You can't.
I can't. Even if I want to, I can't. Because my family, my dadi would do it. I mean, I would love to, but I don't. I wouldn't actually. No.
Yeah.
Maybe he can name his Khushal, his child. मेरे जो पोते होंगे.
But you'd have to not be alive for that.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, but like that's the thing.
That's the thing. Interesting. But there's of course poetry. Then in your bloodline.
Yes. Poetry भी है, और उसके अलावा he wasn't just a poet. People just know him as a poet.
Yeah.
But he wasn't just a poet. वो शायर भी थे और वो एक warrior भी थे.
Afghan warrior.
In a way. Yeah. So and he was from Akoda Khattak. वो जो सारा वो खट्टक ट्राइबल अटक इलाका है जो वो है. So नौशहरा में भी we live in Akoda Khattak basically.
And you speak Pashto, right?
I speak Pashto. Yes.
वो तो पठान ही नहीं है जो पश्तो ना बोले.
जी exactly. पठान ही नहीं जो पश्तो ना बोले. I believe in that. Yes. So yeah, I think.
Cool. And what else? What else should people know about you?
What else should people know about you? About me.
अभी वो वाला CV है ना कि हम पोर्टफोलियो बना रहे हैं, लड़का राइडिंग कर लेता है, फलाना चीज, क्या स्किल्स हैं, what skills you have, why should you be cast in the next superhero flick, are you very sporty?
I love football and I love to play. I like to stay active, and the reason I should be cast in the next superhero film is that, like, you know, I'll put everything into it. I'll do it. So if Marvel is watching it, yeah, sure. Like,
Yeah.
This, I'll put my number or something.
Yeah.
It'll show down there. It will.
We'll run your Instagram handle.
Yeah, you do that.
Yeah.
And then you can just message me and I'll do it. Spider-Man 4 maybe.
Huh.
You never know.
You
Fourth
never know.
Spider-Man.
Of course.
Multiverse.
Hannah, that would be so cool.
Yes.
You watched, of course, you watched it.
Of course, I watched it. I'm a big Marvel fan.
Marvel or DC?
Marvel.
Marvel. क्यों भाई?
I just love it. It's so good. It's so good. Like, you know, DC is, I think it's very dark. It's very slow. I mean, no offense to anybody out there because DC के बहुत सारे fans हैं. So, and I love some of the DC films like Superman and Batman. I love Batman. But when it comes to, like, if you want me to choose one, I'll choose Marvel.
I feel Marvel superheroes have a sense of humor, which makes them kind
Yes.
of fun.
Yes.
They're fun.
They have a sense of
हाँ.
humor and they have like a proper, like, उनकी
अब
जो
सुपरमैन
stories
की तो
होती-
कोई सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर नहीं है, ना ही बैटमैन की तो खैर बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. He's like the
I
Dark
feel like
Knight.
they've like Stanley also said this, that they've given Superman everything.
हाँ.
Just kryptonite is his weakness, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
And they've given him everything.
Yeah.
And like he's like, if I were to make Superman, I wouldn't give him everything. So yeah, I feel like just don't give me everything, just give me something, but like cast me. Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Of course, of course. Do you think looks play a role in the way you're treated in the industry? Do you ever feel objectified? कि ये प्यारा बच्चा है, ये good looking है, तो ये तो चल जाएगा.
हाँ, कहते हैं लोग.
ऐसे होता है.
लोग कहते हैं, लेकिन like वो मैं I don't think like that.
बहुत से लोगों को जिनको नहीं चांस मिला, उन्होंने यही कहा कि हमारा रंग it was not clear enough या हमारे features we were not good looking enough.
ये बात मुझे बहुत अपसेट करती है कि जब लोग ये बोलते हैं कि मतलब क्या मतलब, लाइक आप कहते हो कि मतलब आपका रंग ये वो, एंड आई थिंक इट शुडंट बी द केस. इफ इट इज, इट शुडंट बी, बट इन माय ओपिनियन इट्स नॉट द केस. आप हर बंदे को मौका मिलता है. You know, you look at Nawazuddin Siddiqui, that guy, like he has made it for himself. He's like वो दिखता अच्छा है. I won't say this like कि मैं ये नहीं
But
कह
he's an art house actor, right? वो कभी भी शाहरुख खान नहीं होगा. वो हीरो, रोमांटिक हीरो शायद नहीं होगा कभी भी.
I mean, that is the case, but then there are some actors that you know, I like watching these Tamil films as well. वहाँ पे भी they have like dark skinned heroes.
Yeah,
and I love it absolutely.
Look at Rajnikant where he is today.
Yes, exactly. He's bigger than these all of the actors, and I feel like ये
So
होना
good
चाहिए.
actor or bigger star?
What?
दिल में क्या है? Actor बनना है अच्छा या सच बोलना?
Okay, I'll be honest, completely honest. I wanna be a good actor. I wanna be a great actor, not just a good actor. Stardom will come with it. And stardom not in a way कि oh like I am a star. No, not like that. Like in a way that मुझे वो नहीं कमाना या पैसे वैसे कम मुझे वो नहीं. I wanna like उसके बाद I've heard this that मुझे लोग कमाने. So अगर लोग कमाओगे आप तो आप खुद.
अभी लोगों ने पहचानना शुरू किया है.
Yeah.
Yeah. How does that feel?
It feels good.
How did it feel when the first person came up to you?
Oh, the first.
अब ऑटोग्राफ तो कोई नहीं मांगता, सेल्फी मांगते हैं लोग.
हाँ, सेल्फी नो ऑटोग्राफ बच्चे मांगते छोटे. लेट मी टेल यू स्टोरी. सो अभी रिसेंटली अभी कुछ एक 20 दिन पहले की बात है. सो ऑब्वियसली पीपल आर वाचिंग द ड्रामा एंड एवरीबॉडी न्यू मी इन नौशहरा एंड ऑल दैट. सो माय लिटिल ब्रदर ज़रक, ही गोज टू स्कूल एंड ही इज लाइक तुमने मुझे पिक करने आना है. मैंने कहा ठीक है. नॉट लाइक दिस. ही सेड तुमने मुझे कल स्कूल से पिक करने आना है. आई एम लाइक ओके फाइन, आ जाता हूं.
How old is Zarak?
हाँ, he's 15.
Okay.
14-15. Yeah. So I'm like, okay, मैं आ जाता हूँ. So I went there and I didn't know उसने पूरा प्लान करके रखा था. उसने उस दिन स्पेसिफिकली मुझे बुलाया जिस दिन 2-3 स्कूल्स वाले एक ही स्कूल में आए थे. वो स्पोर्ट्स कंपटीशन था, इस तरह कुछ था. So I went there and so the principal is basically my mother's cousin. She knew me obviously. So जब मैं गया अंदर, so मैं ग्राउंड में I was exposed to the ground. I was wearing a mask, but I was exposed to the ground. And I saw her, I was like, what is happening? And then when she saw me, she just grabbed me. She's like, I can't have you over here like this. Let them have their matches and everything. उसने मुझे ऑफिस में लॉक कर दिया. And I see the like little girls and boys and they're roaming around for pictures and all that. वो बाहर जा रहे क्रस हो रही. And she's like, नहीं अभी कोई नहीं आएगा. आधे घंटे बाद जब छुट्टी हुई, सब कुछ हो गया, then she called me. She's like, okay, now people saw you and now they want to, like, you know, they're not going. They're not leaving without seeing you. And I was like, okay, that's sweet. So I went on stage. They were like, I said, can you like give them trophies at least? I was like, yeah, sure, I would love to.
Sweet.
And then pictures ले रहा हूँ. So और मैं देख रहा हूँ स्टेज में बारी एक बंदा आ रहा है. Like ये नहीं कि मतलब एक साथ आके ग्रुप पिक्चर, एक बंदा आ रहा है. मेरे राइट साइड से आ रहा है. और मैं राइट साइड पे देखता हूँ मेरा भाई यहाँ पे खड़ा हुआ है. अपने तुम आओ, ये तुम तुम नहीं, तुम आओ
He's completely
नहीं,
exploiting the situation.
तुमने मेरा होमवर्क किया है, तुम नहीं, तुम आओ, and he's doing that.
हाँ.
I'm just looking at him, I'm like ये देखो, and then he's like वो कैंटीन वाले जो चाचा है ना, तो वो तुम्हारे साथ पिक्चर लेना चाहे. मैंने कहा ठीक है. मैं चला गया, तो खाला थी, सॉरी, तो ये तुम्हारे साथ पिक्चर लेना. मैंने कहा ठीक है, तो मैं चला गया कैंटीन. मैंने कहा पिक्चर ले लेते, तो पिक्चर ले ली. फिर उसको मैं निकल रहा हूँ और ये उस खाला को, खाला वो जो पैसे ना उसमें से काट लेना. अच्छा, मैं पिक्चर दिलाया.
Oh God.
तो उसने मुझे पूरा कैश किया है.
पूरा cash. Very good. I'm so proud of him.
Yeah, and सब दोस्तों को बता रहे हैं, हाँ ये मेरा भाई है. सब अपनी जो दोस्त है ना, सबको बुलाया. That's my brother. Yeah. इसको मैं और पूरे एटीट्यूड में बाहर निकल रहा हूँ. फिर मैं वो लीविंग. I came here to pick him up basically. ऐसे बैग मुझे देते, बैग पकड़ो मेरी नोटबुक पकड़ो, और मैं सब मुझसे बारी बारी आके पिक्चर. मैंने उसका बैग इस तरह पकड़ा हुआ है, उसकी नोटबुक इस तरह पकड़ी है. हम लाइक अच्छा सरक साहब आप आ जाए, गाड़ी में बैठ जाए. और गर्ल्स कम दे लाइक आस्किंग फॉर ऑटोग्राफ्स एंड दे लाइक मैं आपका ड्रामा देख रही हूं आज, और ये मैं कहा ओके थैंक यू. और वो पूरे एटीट्यूड में स्टार के साथ पूरे मतलब अपने आप को स्टार समझ के ना ऐसे एंट्री मार रहा है. हाँ लाइक ये भी ठीक है. फिर
कहते हैं how's the female attention, how has that changed? Are you like now the it thing in Islamabad, or you पहले भी था?
I don't go out a lot in Islamabad, but
Right,
like
right.
when my mother comes to Islamabad, she's like, चलो मॉल चलते हैं. And I'm like नहीं चलते हैं मॉल. So उसको अच्छा लगता है in a way, because that has never happened. So जब होता है तो अभी तो नहीं होता, पहले होता था. जब अभी तो काफी she understood that it's not safe and all that. Sometimes not safe and all. तो जब जाती है, तो जब मॉल जाते हैं, तो she just goes, and जब लोग आते हैं ना, लड़कियां जब पिक्चर लेती है and all that, so my father will be there, he'll be like okay. तो मुझे हंसता है कि and
अभी फैन गर्ल्स की एज ग्रुप क्या है?
I think all of them are like starting from 13 to 20.
12 to
yeah. Because
but you're having fun with it, right?
Yeah. Some of them are very sweet.
हाँ.
कुछ जब जो लोग खुशहाल भाई बोलते हैं या बोलते हैं ना, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. I feel like ये जो लफ्ज भाई है ना, इसमें बहुत एक सिक्योरनेस, एक सुकून है. आप खुद भी अच्छा फील करते हो. Like जब मुझे कोई भाई बोलता है ना, खुशहाल भाई, even if it's that person, if the male, female, whatever, 20, 18, whatever, भाई बोलती है ना, so I feel like अच्छा एक इसलिए बोल रही, मतलब she feels good, she feels secure in a way. पता नहीं, that's how I think. तो बोलती खुशहाल भाई पिक्चर मिल सकती है आपके साथ, या अयाज भाई या खुशहाल भाई जो भी है. I feel so good. I'm like okay, I like the भाई word.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah, there's a decency to it.
There's a decency to it. Yes, exactly.
There's a dignity and a decency.
हाँ, so वो लाइन जो होती है वो मेंटेन रहती है, और जो है तो एक चार्म होता है. अच्छा
मगर हम नहीं चाहेंगे कि नूर और अयाज के बीच में भाई बहन वाली रिलेशनशिप रहे. वो नजर आ रही है, केमिस्ट्री बनते हुए, स्टोरी चल रही है आगे, और वो बननी शुरू हो गई है उनकी रिलेशनशिप और इक्वेशन. So I think there's a lot to look forward to.
There's a lot to look forward to. You'll be surprised how everything is gonna turn out, and everything. Everybody's gonna change.
Yeah.
Everybody's gonna change.
Everybody's gonna change. I'm hoping that will be sooner than like after 15 episodes.
Yes, inshallah. You'll see it. You'll see it. धीरे धीरे. हम उस दिन शूट कर रहे थे. It was the last day on set, and I was like, everybody's very emotional and all, but like I'm just happy how it turned out. I personally, जितनी मेरी understanding है, और जितने मेरे knowledge में, I think it's going to turn out good.
It's going to turn out good. I hope your career turns out the way you're envisioning it as well.
Inshallah.
Like I said before, again, Kushal, you have great aura, and I think that you really will go a long way, inshallah. And you've got the mehnat ka keeda, and you've got the faith and the discipline and the patience and all of that.
Alhamdulillah. Like Shah Rukh Khan once said, he said in an interview that if you want to be successful, then aram haram hai. And a lot of my family complains. कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता. नहीं, धंधा छोटा बड़ा नहीं, कोई काम है. मैं बाकी का डायलॉग फिनिश करने वाला था, हम लाइक नहीं, नॉट मैचिंग.
माँ कहती है कोई धंधा बड़ा छोटा बड़ा नहीं.
हाँ, अम्मी जान कहती थी कोई धंधा छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता, कोई धंधे से बड़ा कोई धन. एंड आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव इन दैट. तो मैंने वो दिहाड़ी भी की है, मैंने वो भी किया, मैं ये भी कर रहा हूँ, और मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. और मैं अभी भी जब नौशहरा वापस जाता हूँ ना, तो मैं आई हैंग आउट विद दोस पीपल एंड ऑल दैट, एंड आई लव इट. और मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती है, जो कि मेरे बहुत क्लोज जो कजन्स है वो है ना, तो कुछ बहुत मतलब कम फेवरेट कजन्स होते हैं आपके, तो उनके साथ जब मैं हैंग आउट करता हूँ, आई लव इट व्हेन दे लाइक दे डोंट नो एनीथिंग. लाइक एक तो बिल्कुल मतलब वो है ना, हिज नेम इज माज, ही इज रियली स्वीट गाय. He's my favorite cousin. One of my favorite cousins, Maz, was there. I want to say their names because they खुश हो जाएंगे. And everybody actually. So वो जो है ना, जब भी वो सेट पे आया था मेरे साथ, he didn't know anybody. उसको he didn't know Essen, he didn't know Mavra, he didn't know anyone, he was just there like ये कर क्या रहे हो तुम लोग. तो उसने कैमरास देखे, cameras were pointing at me and we were making a drama and he's like, oh याद है वो जो हम एक दफा वो वीडियो बना रहे थे और तुम्हारे वो जो कैमरा वीडियो बना पुलिस वाले ने हमें पकड़ लिया था. I'm like, okay, this is something different.
This is not that.
This is not that.
Yeah.
So they treat me the same way and I love it.
And that's good. That's grounding.
I love it. I absolutely love
That's
it.
great grounding.
My family, everybody, they treat me the same way. And ये चीज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. Like you know कि मतलब वही ट्रीटमेंट मुझे मिल रही है, वही प्यार मुझे मिल रहा है. Not कि अच्छा you know working and all that. लेकिन एक चीज़ मैंने नोटिस की, other than that, like बाहर जो लोग हैं या फिर जो भी है ना, like relatives और दूर के, काम है तो इज्जत है. आप मेहनत करोगे तो इज्जत मिलेगी आपको. काम करोगे तो आपको इज्जत मिलेगी. आप कुछ कर रहे हो ना कि अच्छा बंदा बिजी है, काम कर रहा है, काम की वजह से, सो इज्जत होगी. दैट्स द वो ऑफ द सोसाइटी. अगर काम नहीं करोगे ऐसे ही बंदा फ्री बैठा रहता है.
खुशहाल, यू आर वेरी मैच्योर फॉर योर एज. और मैं चाहूंगी कि ये इंटरव्यू हम 2021 में कर रहे हैं, 10 साल बाद आपका करियर जो कहीं से कहीं जा चुका होगा.
इंशाल्लाह.
Then we will revisit this interview.
इंशाल्लाह.
And we will see कि you know 20 साल का खुशहाल, 21 साल का.
No, I hope it turns out good for everyone.
Yeah.
इंशाल्लाह. And I feel like सब जो काम कर रहे हैं ना, क्योंकि सिर्फ मैं नहीं हूँ इस इंडस्ट्री में, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि ऑलरेडी पहुंच गए उधर, वो भी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, सब कर रहे हैं. आई फील लाइक उनको और भी कामयाबी मिल जाए, बिकॉज अगर हर बंदा कामयाब होगा तभी इंडस्ट्री आगे बढ़ेगी. सिर्फ अकेले मैं नहीं या फिर फला नहीं, सब अगर कामयाब होंगे तभी इंडस्ट्री आगे बढ़ने वाली है. एक बंदे से नहीं होगी. एक बंदे से नहीं होगी.
On that note, thank you so much. आपने वक्त निकाला.
Thank you so much for having me. I had so much fun.
It was a lot of fun.
Yes. Thank you so much.